All right, so um, in this problem A, part A of the assignment, this is where we have um, the a unit, a surgery unit that has done some process changes, and we want to find out whether those process changes helped or hurt in terms of the length of stay at the hospital. So we did do gather um, data on about 12 different types of surgeries, and we were measuring the average length of stay before the process changes and the after process changes for these 12 different types of surgeries that we do at our hospital. And we want to figure out whether there is a statistically significant difference in the length based on this. So we have to do what is known as a paired t-test. Why is it called paired? Paired because for each surgery type, we are looking at before and after. So when you have before and after measurements, often the clue for you is to use a paired t-test. So to accomplish the paired t-test, what you would do is you'd go to data and data analysis. And if you don't have this data analysis, that means that you have to kind of add it in Microsoft Excel. I also indicated a tutorial on how to add the data analysis tool pack. So please go through those steps. So once you do the data analysis and click on this data analysis tool pack, you would go through it. It opens up this this dialog box. So the thing that you would have to select, the test that you need to select is t-test paired to sample for means. And then you click OK here. So once you click OK, the variable one range, you will select the variable one range as this, B1 to B13. And the variable two range would be C1 to C13. So once you select those two, the labels, the first um, the first value in this B1 to B13 is labels, so you want to go with labels. And the output range is you could put these results in a new worksheet or on the same worksheet. In this case, it is convenient for me to have it on the same worksheet. So I'm going to select it and state that it should the result should be placed in something like one, beginning with one, and I click OK. And at this point, I would see that the paid to sample for means results are given to me. And in this case, you would see that that the mean before the process changes is somewhat higher. The variances are also given before the process changes and after the process changes. And we have 12 observations in both cases. And the main thing that we are looking at here is the p-value, right? The p-value, whether it's statistically significant or not. The p-value at 5% significance level. So in this case, it is 0.03, which is less than 0.05. So this is telling us that it is statistically significant. And we conclude that there are statistically significant differences between the before and the after length of stays for this process. So whoever designed the process and whoever implemented the process, you probably would like to, congratulate them, give them a pat on the back if you are if you are in management, you are managing, and make sure that such process changes are implemented in future. And if this video is appearing at some in some other semesters and things like that, I do change the data every offering. And so as a result, you might not see the same results, but the process steps are the same. So please use the process steps in this video, but not exactly the results that you see.